In this video, I will consider one numerical on loop analysis or mesh analysis. Determine Ix using mesh analysis. This is the given circuit. Here we have Ix. So we have to find this Ix using mesh analysis, where Ix is the current flows through 5 ohm resistor. So this is the given circuit. Here we have to find Ix. Ix is the current which flows through 5 ohm resistor. So let me apply KVL to loop I1, that is apply Kirchhoff's voltage law to loop I1. So starts from a voltage source, that is 4 is equal to voltage across 1 ohm resistor is 1 into I1 plus voltage across 2 ohm resistor is, here in 2 ohm resistor I1 as well as I2 is flowing, but I2 is opposite to I1. So we have to write it as I1 minus I2. Here we have voltage source, that is 8 Ix. So here we can observe that Ix is the current which flows through 5 ohm resistor. So I can write the Ix as, that is Ix is equal to, we have I3 minus I2, because I2 is moving from this end to this end, whereas I3 is moving in the same direction that Ix is moving. So I can write Ix is equal to I3 minus I2. So now let me represent this equation as, that is 4 is equal to I1 plus, here we have, I can write it as 2I1 minus 2I2 plus 8. Ix is nothing but I3 minus I2, that is I3 minus I2, or I can write 4 is equal to I1 plus 2I1 is 3I1 minus 2I2 plus 8I3 minus 8I2, or I can write 4 is equal to 3I1. Here we have minus 8I2 minus 2I2, that is minus 10I2 plus 8I3. Let me call it as equation 1. Now similarly apply KVL to loop I2, that is apply KVL to loop I2. So here current direction is shown like this. So according to this current direction, current is moving from minus terminal towards positive terminal, that is clockwise direction. So we should write it as minus 2 is equal to, so now just move along with the direction of current. So current through 5 ohm resistor is 5 into I2 minus I3, that is 5 in bracket I2 minus I3. Then the current will flow through 2 ohm resistor. So in 2 ohm resistor I1 is also flowing. I can write it as plus 2 I2 minus I1. Then I2 will flow through 3 ohm resistor, that is plus 3 I2. Let me simplify. Minus 2 is equal to 5 I2 minus 5 I3 plus 2 I2 minus 2 I1 plus 3 I2, or I can further simplify as, that is I will write in order, that is minus 2 I1, then we have I2, 5 I2 and 3 I2, that is plus I2 plus 2 I2 plus 3 I2, that is 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is 10 I2, then we have minus 5 I3. Let me call it as equation 2. So now let me apply KVL to loop I3, that is apply KVL to loop I3. So let me start from the voltage source, that is 8Ix. I can write 8Ix is equal to, just move along with the direction of current, 5 I3 minus I2, voltage across 5 ohm resistor is 5 I3 minus I2, then current flows through 4 ohm resistor, that is plus 4 I3. So here Ix is nothing but I3 minus I2. So I can write 8 I3 minus I2 is equal to 5 in bracket I3 minus I2 plus 4 I3, or I can write 8 I3 minus I2. So I'll take this term on left hand side. It will be minus 5 I3 minus I2 is equal to 4 I3 is equal to 4 I3, or I can write 8 minus 5, that is 3. We have I3 minus I2 is equal to 4 I3. Let me simplify. That is 3 I3 minus 3 I2 minus 4 I3 is equal to 0, or I can write 0 is equal to minus 3 I2 minus, here 3 minus 4 I3 is minus I3. So let me call this as equation 3. Now solving equation 1, 2 and 3, we get, so here we have three equations, equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. So these three equations can be directly calculated using calculator. Keep calculator in equation mode and choose 3 as an unknown. So in equation 1, the coefficient of I1 is 3, coefficient of I2 is minus 10, coefficient of I3 is 8 and voltage value is 4. Similarly, in equation 2, coefficient of I1 is minus 2, coefficient of I2 is 10, coefficient of I3 is minus 5 and this value is minus 2. Similarly, in third equation, coefficient of I1 is 0, coefficient of I2 is minus 3 and coefficient of I3 is minus 1 and this value is 0. So we get I1 is equal to 4.57 amps. We have I2 is equal to 0.2857 amps and I3 will be equal to minus 0.857 amps. So we know that Ix is nothing but I3 minus I2. Therefore, Ix is equal to I3 is minus 0.857 minus I2. I2 is minus 0.2857. Therefore, simplifying this, will get Ix is equal, it will be minus 1.1427 amps. So thus we calculated Ix using mesh analysis. Thank you for watching.